At NOAA have an update to a seasonal forecast. A weak La Nina is expected this winter. Meteorologist Heather Waldman joining us. And how will this impact Northern California?
Right. And of course, we want to talk about it because El Nino and its counterpart La Nina can have an influence on seasonal weather across the United States. But we want to say this right off the top. It is not the only thing that influences our seasonal weather, especially when we're talking about winter. So here's what the latest update says. A 71% chance of a weak La Nina developing later this fall and lasting through the early part of the spring. This is a little bit later than expected. Earlier this summer, forecasters were expecting that we would already start to see signs of La Nina. It's not there yet, but there is still evidence that one will develop here within the next couple of months. So at its core, all La Nina is an increase in the easterly trade winds, and that increase in the breeze pushes warmer water to the western side of the Pacific. It allows cooler water to hang out on the eastern side of the Pacific. That can have an impact on the jet stream, where storms go, and as a result, at times, it can have an impact on precipitation patterns. So we've had 12 weak La Ninas in Northern California, and out of those 12, 3 of those years have had above average rainfall in Sacramento, 3 of them near average, and 6 below average. But what about the Sierra here really quickly? 5 years with above average rain and snow, 2 years with near average, and 5 years below average. So what you take away from this is that La Nina doesn't really tip us one way or the other. It's just something we'll have to keep an eye on. Back to you.